Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to download FIFA 22 on PC and Xbox. Open your browser. Type Steam. Press Enter. Click on the first link. Go to the search bar, type FIFA 22. Press Enter. Click on FIFA 22. Scroll down. FIFA 22 is no longer available on the Steam store. Open a new tab. Type MMOGA. Press Enter. Click on the first link. You will land on the MMOGA website. Go to the search bar. Type FIFA 22. You will find FIFA 22 available for PC and Xbox. That's it for this video. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.